Hello, my name is Ernest Cory at eWay-CRM, and today we're going to look at the newest feature, Layout by Status, where we can add or hide fields by workflow stage. For this example today, we're a financial consultant providing a mortgage for a client. In eWay-CRM Desktop, first we want to use Form Designer to add all the fields we want to work with here into the form. In this case, once we've qualified this customer, we want to display the field salary information in the second stage of our workflow. So let's go ahead and add it now. You can save the layout and continue. Next, we're going to navigate to our admin center, fields, projects, and find that field salary information. What we need to gather here is its DB name. In this case, it's AF118. Make it simple. Click to copy it, and now we have that ready. We now navigate to our old admin center to find the mortgage advanced workflow. We want to initially hide this field, so we're going to go to the initial new stage, action after, and add an action. Here's a list of the available workflow actions. Many of these are actually new in eWay-CRM 8.2. Here we want to initially hide that field, so the description will be hide salary. Click Next, and we can easily Control-V to paste that database field. Finish this up, and moving on, when we hit that customer identification stage, we want to once again unhide that field. So double-click, action after, add an action, and unhide the field. Give it a nice description. Call it just unhide salary. Next, once again, we can Control-V and finish. Let's note, these are all actions after. Here in a new project, you'll see that salary information is displayed, but once we save this the first time, it disappears. But as you'll see though, when I move to the second stage, customer identification, that field returns. Hopefully this was helpful in creating layouts by status, and I look forward to showing you more hints as we move forward. Cheers.